If you have a waterproofing issue in your basement, you have water intrusions in your basement, you would call us.
We're a full service company. We do exterior systems, interior systems, foundation repair, retaining walls, driveway reinstallation and repair. If there's any structural problems, we take care of that.
Known issues are water lines, sewer lines, any pipes that penetrate the wall that needs to be addressed.
Of course, the first thing we're going to do is walk the exterior of your structure. Most companies do not do that. They do not walk around the house. They do not check the downspouts. They don't check the grading. They don't check the issues with the structure itself. A lot of companies strictly do inside, and that's it. We will be out on the job site making sure everything's installed properly and go through everything with you as we install it so you feel comfortable that we did the job correctly and you have a lifetime warranty on your basement when we're finished.
Feels good to help people out and know that you did a good job for them, that they don't have to worry about it anymore, that they're not going to have mold issues anymore.
We've been with the Better Business Bureau for many, many years. We have a perfect A+ rating. Many customers go online, write good reviews about our company. You know, it comes down to that we're family owned. We care about the work we install. You know, that's the main thing. When you install something, you have to have that passion to make sure that everything's installed correctly.